guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen here, and today I got a Charmlol squishy package. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna open it up because this is the package. I got a first squishy for myself and then 5 squishies for my cousin. So let's get opening it. You know what? I'm gonna need the scissors. So okay. You guys get the first peek. So I'm gonna pull out, and hopefully I pull out one of mine. So it's not one of mine. I'm not gonna show them. So first one I pull out is this mini polar bear Prunimaro squishy. That is so squishy. Let's take out the packaging. Wait, look how cute this packaging is. This is so adorable. So here it is. Yes, it came with the acrylic tags, and now I started to collect them, and I have 3 so far. So this is my 4th one. So let's squish it. That is so squishy. Oh my god, I can't. It smells like bubble gum. So squishy. And this is a lot bigger. I thought it would be a little bit smaller, but I kind of like this size. Oh my god, it smells like those bubble gum, like in those rolls. So cute. I'll show you the packaging again. Here's the squishy. And I'll actually show you the acrylic tag actually. So let's get into the next thing I pull out, and they gave me this extra. Thank you so much for this extra. This is an amazing extra. Never mind. This is so much smaller than I thought, but I pulled out this iBloom mini ice cream. That is so surprising, so soft. Just look at the cute packaging. Open it. Smells so good. So this is my 3rd iBloom squishy, and came with this chain, which I think fell off, but you could put on. But it was like this pink ball chain. So good. Okay. So the next squishy I pull out. It's so cute. Okay. So this creamy candy flower filled yummy bear. That is so soft. Look at the cute packaging. It's by Prunimaro. So here is the squishy. This is my 3rd yummy bear squishy. Oh, yeah. And here's the cute acrylic tag. Show you the squishy. Okay, we're gonna pull out the next one, which I see is this is my mini Prunimaro rainbow yummy bear thing, banana. That is so squishy. I'm not taking this out of the packaging. This is more squishy than the one the big cheeky that I have at my dad's house. Kind of see. Look at this, and it also came with this water tag. This one so much, and I think that's all. Wait, I think that's 4. 1, 2. So that was all my 4 squishies. But I am going to show you the invoice. Okay, wait, holding it. Here it is. So I bought a lot of squishies, but I bought 4 for myself. And it also came with this business card, which I'll link all of them in the description, at least the YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, bye kitty fans!